Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe Raiti from Raiti's Rides. As you can see, I'm here in my garage with my Type RA because guess what? We have some unboxing to do. This got to our doorstep here with the 100K silver play button. And it just seems so crazy that so many months ago, so many vlogs ago, car shows and everything else, it has led us to this point to now that I get to share it with all of you, the Raiti's Rides family. So I guess really the way to do the unboxing is to just dive right in. So I'm gonna open it up. This is really, really exciting. Little piece of foam for protection. And then the first thing you'll see is this beautiful letter from YouTube. And if you don't mind, I wanna share it with you as I read it for the first time. So it says, "You've just done something that very YouTube creators accomplish. You had an astonishing 100,000 people subscribe to your channel." That's all you guys. "We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind that 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who has subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you've created. They were inspired, challenged, or entertained. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too." I know you guys like my jokes, especially the food ones when I'm doing the car reviews. "What you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you in all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award, a small token of our esteem and respect. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share, and because you found an audience who cares. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. And we're rooting for you. Congratulations, YouTube." So there's the letter, guys. It's almost like I'm speechless. I know a lot of you guys are like, there's no way that you don't have the words to say how you feel, but this is just incredible. And I'm so glad that you're here for me to share it with you right now. But let me go ahead and pull this out. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. So there it is, guys. It's ours, the Raiti's Rides family. It presented to Raiti's Rides. They spelled it right, which I'm happy about that, for passing 100,000 subscribers. Where do I start? Obviously, I need to start with my wonderful, beautiful, intelligent wife, Lori. Wow, 4 years ago, she kept telling me, start a YouTube channel, start a YouTube channel. I could sit here and say, you know what, I wish I would have done it sooner. I wish I started it earlier. But everything that I've done in my life has gotten me to this point. Being a kid in my dad's shop and seeing cars, hearing engines, having him take me to the races. My crazy days in high school with my crazy friends going and doing, some street racing and things that probably would have got us in a lot of trouble if social media would have existed. Going through college and making that decision that after I got my degree, before I started teaching, to go and race cars. And even after I hung up my helmet when I stopped racing and thought I would never get a chance to experience that feeling again of having that passion for cars and being able to be around others that have that passion and also to create the passion in other people, it's just nuts. And then the biggest thing, being a teacher for 18 years, I thought when they closed my school down that, wow, did I choose the wrong path? But no, obviously all of that has led me to this point. So thank you, Lori. Definitely thank you, Tom. Big Guns McGee, he's getting stronger every day. He makes us all proud, working that camera like a champ. I know we had some fill-ins, Russell and Chris in the beginning, and they're still so very supportive. And I definitely got to thank all of the different locations in the Central Florida area that allow me access to review the cars to bring to you. We keep growing here on Raiti's Rides. We keep not only growing in numbers, but people that believe in us, people that support us. And guess what? For 2020, we have some amazing things coming up. More shows we're going to be going to. When I say shows, the big international shows. And also my goal, and I know Lori's as well, is we want to come visit all the different cities and states throughout the United States and really meet you guys face to face and review some of your cars, because I know a lot of you have awesome cars and I would love to feature them on the channel. But also the people who, guess what, stop by Raity's Rides because they were interested in a car to drive their family from point A to point B. And after watching one video, they watched another and then another, and now they're car enthusiasts. So that is another goal for Raity's Rides as a whole, is to keep the car enthusiast alive, to keep it growing. And not only do I need your help, but I also know that there's people in your neck of the woods, whether it's a son or a daughter, whether it's a next door neighbor or whatever, that you need to share the passion with them, because at the end of the day, that's what's going to keep this whole car craze going. And when it comes to this play button, this is living proof that it doesn't matter what people say. You're going to get people that are going to say you can't do it. Thankfully, I've had enough people behind me saying that I can do it. And if there's anything you want to do, you need to just get up and get going. Whether it's to start a YouTube channel on your own or to do something else that you're dreaming about, just get up and start doing. And it's one of those things, don't compare yourself to others. You know, comparison is the thief of all joy. So you just got to do what you love, be true to yourself, don't violate people's trust. And that's something that I promise with all of you, is that I will keep it real here on Raity's Rides. There will always be zonks. My Type RA is sitting here. I'm zonking right now still those front fake grills on the front of the bumper fascias. So it's one of those things that you just got to keep true to yourself. And I can't do it without all of you, and I can't do it with all the people that have interacted with me along the way. This journey is just going to keep on going, and I can't wait to see where we wind up at the top, not only in YouTube, but also just overall in the car industry. And it's funny because, you know, when I used to race cars, I didn't keep many of my trophies. I have a few that are very important to me. Most of them I gave away to people to say thank you for supporting me. This is definitely something that I want to share with you, but I'm going to be holding on to this one. This really just speaks so much about my love for cars and also my work ethic and how much I care about all of you and want to bring the best to you. So to wrap this whole thing off, thank you once again. If these are the types of things you want to keep seeing on Raity's Rides, where we're unboxing play buttons, I would love to keep bringing that to you. So thank you for all your support. If you're new to the channel and you're wondering, well, who is this Joe Raiti guy and why does he have a play button? Definitely hit that subscribe button and keep coming back. I promise you, you'll have more than one or two reasons to come back. If you are part of the Raity's Rides family, this is for you. Thank you. We can't do it without you. If you want to help us make great content, bring amazing cars, go to amazing places, click the link in the description, get yourself some Raity's Rides merch, and guess what? We have polos in the Raity's Rides merch store. So that's for a lot of you who have asked for it. I gotta thank my wife for helping me set up this whole orchestra here in our garage with special lighting and everything. Lori, I can't do it without you. I look forward to working more with you and going more exciting places. You are a champ as well with that camera, and you are definitely the champion of my heart. So thank you so much for all that you do. And just like always, guys, I'll see you on the next ride.